Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is the watering can project. If you remember this spout, I put it in this vinegar to get the rust and stuff off of it. There was rust on the head of it, and there was rust all around here. And this thing soaked in this vinegar for about like 4 days. And look at that vinegar. It is just, and this thing's pretty much rust free as far as I can tell. And what's on here is scrubbing off, really. I think I'll take a Brillo pad to it and scrub it. I'm going to put it out in the sun. And I was thinking about painting the end of it, but the way that end is, I'd have to worry about unclogging these holes and stuff, so I'm just going to take that and paint this. And but I'm happy with this. This vinegar has amazed me how well a job it did in getting this rust off. But I'm going to clean it up and then we'll get that painted. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.